Read Think About This on page 26. Why do you think several people decided not to leave their homes despite the threat of Mount St. Helens erupting? Do you think you would have left the mountain if geologists sent out a warning that it might erupt in the next few days? Your rocket investigation will vary according to the supplies that you can find. Any kind of small film canister with a lid will work. A test tube and cork may produce the best results. Fill your canister about 2/3 full of water and add a half of an effervescent tablet and fit the cap on securely. Wait a few seconds and observe the resulting reaction without interfering. Challenge students to think of an explanation for why the canister caps blew off before they read science stuff.